is like for roadworks, including
Mm.
airfield payloads. This is from
Mm.
IS 1200. This is
Mm.
part 17.
Mm.
So my contents are introduction and
Go
standard
to
consideration.
slide view, no?
This one, right, sir? So it is a self-explanatory slide, but I will just explain, sir, what it is studying. So it was
So,
basically
Chef,
adopted.
can you add the slideshow? So
Go
it's
to
open.
slideshow tab. Go to slideshow tab. The top.
Hmm.
Yeah, from the
From
beginning.
beginning.
From beginning. Okay.
Left, far left. Yes.
Yeah, that's one. Yeah,
Visible, right?
yeah, visible.
So basically, sir, in this introduction part, it was like adopted by Indian Standards Institution on 4th October 1985. So in this, sir, it is they finalized the method of the measurement of the work of civil engineering, excluding the River Valley projects. So in third, what point it is saying that the project varies, like private it will vary, the state it will vary, central project it will vary. So for uniform measurement and financial estimate, IS book plays a very important role. So only we are using this. Okay. So like this is in line with the Indian Road Congress also, the IRC. Okay, the modification of earthwork and cement and concretes are also there. So, what are the standard consideration? Like previously in other code books also, same so the dimensions will be like length, width, and the height in the sequence. Measurement as like in the decimals only, and length and the width to be measured to the nearest 0.01 meter and thickness to 0.05. Okay, which is less because of the tolerance. So this means the able to sustain the maximum dimensions. Okay, and similarly, the nearest areas work and the cubic content to be followed is 0.01 meter cube. Now this BOQ, the BOQ is like whenever we start the work and end the work. So the BOQ plays a very important role where includes the number of laborers, materials which are going to use. So initially and the final we have to match whether the my BQ is matching or not. Slight varies will okay will be fine. So now this is a diagram, sir. Okay, so the more lower part is the subgrade, and then in the sequence is the sub base course, then the concrete payment. Now coming to the what standard should be considered in the payment design. So leveling should be done at the beginning and the end of the
Yeah, tell
uh,
me. Come again.
so level should be done at the beginning and after the construction. Okay, when the the payment the payment is constructed, right, sir? So at the beginning and at the end, we will do the level. So how we are doing, sir, is 5 meters center to center longitudinal direction, that is the straight, and the grid. What is called the grid is the cube-like structure, like square-like structure is there. No, sir, that is only the grid. Okay, and for two lane roads done at the fourth position, transfer uh, 0.75 and 2.75 at the edges of the carriageway. Okay, so we need to understand what is carriageway. So I'll just show it in my next slide also. Okay, and for the single lane, it is done at only two positions, whereas for the double lane, two lane road, it is at four positions. Okay, now carriage, this transferly at 1.25 at the edge of the carriageway or the crown edges. The crown edges is nothing, I'll show that as well. Okay, reference will be always from the left of the carriageway of a grid after each course layer is laid. Okay, sir. So this is the diagram, sir, what I have taken. So this is what this part is the transverse joint, okay, and this part is the longitudinal joint. So now this dowel bars. 1 minute, sir. Are you able to see the slide, sir?
Yeah, yeah, I can able to see.
Yes, sir. This dowel bars are used for transferring the load, sir. Okay, the transfer joints. So this is the slab. Is It's for the slab thickness. What we can see this part. Are you able to see some of the cursor?
Yeah, yeah, I can see in
Yes,
this.
yes, yes.
You
So
can go
for
ahead.
this, yes, sir. For this only we are using the dowel bars, and tie bars are used for the face of the slab. Okay, sir. Everyone is able to see the cursor. This is the face. Okay, sir. And crown, what is this? We call this at the topmost part. Is the crown what we say. Now, this is I'll explain what is carriageway also. So this is the when you take a payment on the lane which it is following. One, you can say this one as the carriageway where I'm telling in this direction. Okay, this direction or this direction. That we can say the carriageway. And shoulders, these are the shoulders. In the when you see in these are the in the villages, when the space is left, the end of the payment at the both side, one is this side and another is this side, is the shoulder. Okay, and when we see in the cities and all, payment, these pedestrians are made on that. So in the city projects. So now, what are the considerations? So the work should be calculated in meter square. Length measurement should be from end central line, from end central line. So 1 minute, sir. I'll explain this also. And with measurement should be from the edges to the central, and this is end to central. I miss end to central. Okay, for road alignment, alignment of the road, sir, IS code book 1200 part 1 is used. And for water work calculation, which is in meter square. Okay, now for dismantling the work, we are referring the code book 1200 part 80. Okay, and recompacting of subgrade level is in meter square, removal of unsuitable material is in meter cube, preparing rocky subgrade is in meter square. So now this is what is a bitumen road, and the where I put this is the bitumen road, and this is the tar road. Now I will tell you what is the difference between the bitumen road and the tar road. So basically, the tar is derived from this coal and wood petroleum. Okay, and the bitumen is the petroleum product. The distilled, what we say is the distill is from the tar, and bitumen is the petroleum product itself. Okay, and how to make the difference? Bitumen is basically have a dark brown color. Okay, and sorry, this tar has a dark brown color. Both we can say both has dark brown color only, but what difference is that bitumen has black color also, dark black color also. Okay, so, and what I conclude, the standard from this IS code 1200 part 17 covers the method of the measurement of road work, including airlifted pavements. This airlifted pavements, you can see the highway, this airport highways, what we see runways. There, this is the best example of airfield pavements. So, thank you. Sir, shall I unpresent my screen?